Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to Staff Nurse Entrance Preparation Model Question Session 7 but NAMSको चाहिँ Part 3. If you are new here and if you haven't watched previous sessions, did check it out from the link given in the description box. आज चाहिँ हामीहरु question number 41 देखि continue गर्नेछौं to question number 60. Do hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Many ... has died at sea. Main, a man, the main. So the correct answer is a man. Many a man has died at sea. किनकि many पछाडि चाहिँ सधैं singular verb use हुन्छ. That's why many a man has died at sea. The passive of leave it to me is let it be left to me, it should be left on me, it should leave it me, both A and B. So the correct answer is both A and B. Leave it to me भयो भने चाहिँ अथवा कमान्ड गर्यो भने चाहिँ सधैं let plus object plus be plus verb 3 हुन्छ नि त. That's why let it be left to me पनि मिल्छ अनि अर्को भनेको चाहिँ it should be left on me पनि मिल्छ. त्यही भएर करेक्ट आन्सर भनेको चाहिँ both A and B भयो. All the animals in the zoo we sat down for lunch. Having see, having saw, having seen, have seen. So the correct answer is having seen. Having seen all the animals in the zoo, we sat down for lunch. Please pass the sugar is an assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. So the correct answer is imperative. So imperative भनेको चाहिँ के हो त? यो चाहिँ used हुन्छ to issue command, instructions, make a request or offer advice. त्यही भएर please pass the sugar चाहिँ imperative भयो. तर यदि assertive भनेको भए चाहिँ के हो त? यो चाहिँ statement हो भने interrogative भनेको चाहिँ यो चाहिँ one that asks direct questions र end हुन्छ with a question mark अनि exclamatory भनेको चाहिँ statement हो जसले चाहिँ convey गर्छ strong emotion or excitement. It often ... during monsoons rained, raining, rains. So the correct answer is rains. It often rains during monsoons किनकि present tense चाहिँ used हुन्छ to describe true facts. त्यही भएर it often rains during monsoons. The building was constructed ... 1953 in, at, for, on. So the correct answer is in. In preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ to denote years. त्यही भएर the building was constructed in 1953. Radhika is going away ... a week, for, during, in, at. So the correct answer is for. Radhika is going away for a week हुन्छ किनकि for preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ to denote period of time. The school ... is an honest man. Principal, principals, principal, principals. Spelling मा चाहिँ difference छ है. So correct answer भनेको चाहिँ C को हो. PRINCIPAL. किन भन्दाखेरि यो principal भनेको चाहिँ head हो भने अर्को PRINCIPLE भनेको चाहिँ के हो त? सिद्धान्त भन्छ नि त्यो हो. त्यही भएर correct answer भनेको चाहिँ PRINCIPAL. Both the car and its driver ... now came into sight looked savvy. Who, which, that, whose. So the correct answer is that. Both the car and its driver that now came into a sight looked savvy. If helping other ... more people would have engaged in the profession. Pays, paid, had paid, would pay. So the correct answer is had paid. किनकि यदि if plus had plus verb 3 अगाडि हुन्छ भने त्यसको पछाडि चाहिँ के हुन्छ त? would, should, could, might plus have plus verb 3 हुन्छ. सो हामीसँग would plus have plus verb 3 engage छ नि त. That means हामीहरूलाई अगाडि चाहिँ had plus verb 3 चाहियो. That's why if helping other had paid more people would have engaged in the profession. He fell down ... the horse above, in, off. So the correct answer is OFF, off. He fell down off the horse किनकि off preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ to denote down from अथवा away from. त्यही भएर OFF, off चाहिँ correct answer. They together with my sister ... out there is dancing, have dancing, has dancing, are dancing. So the correct answer is are dancing. किन त plural subject always takes plural verb. त्यही भएर they together with my sister are dancing out there. He, not his parents, the tasks do, done, does, are doing. So the correct answer is does. सधैँ प्लस नट छ भने चाहिँ हामीहरूले फर्मर सब्जेक्ट हेर्नुपर्छ. That's why he, not his parents, does the tasks. Cloth is sold by meter, a and the none. So the correct answer is the cloth is sold by the meter. I looked high and low for the book that I lost. Nowhere, everywhere, somewhere, upstairs. So the correct answer is everywhere. High and low भनेको चाहिँ यो सेन्टेन्समा चाहिँ everywhere हो. So correct answer भनेको पनि everywhere हो. Samjana will have her mother to the authorities. Talked to talk, talk to talking. So the correct answer is talk. Samjana will have her mother talk to the authorities किनकि अगाडि subject plus have plus agent छ भने चाहिँ सधैँ verb युज हुन्छ. त्यही भएर Samjana will have her mother talk to the authorities. A place for washing hands and face is called cemetery, lavatory, laboratory, laundry. So the correct answer is lavatory. Lavatory भनेको चाहिँ के हो त? यो चाहिँ सिङ्क अथवा वास बेसिन हो. त्यही भएर यो चाहिँ प्लेस फर वासिङ ह्यान्ड्स एन्ड फेस भन्न मिल्यो. त्यस्तै सिमेट्री भनेको के हो त? यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले ग्रेभयार्ड पनि भन्न मिल्छ, जसमा चाहिँ हामीले रिमेन्स अफ डेड पिपलहरू चाहिँ बरी गर्छौँ. अनि ल्याबोरेटरी भनेको चाहिँ प्लेस हो फर डुइङ टेस्ट र रिसर्च प्रोसिड्युर्स एन्ड फर प्रिपेरिङ केमिकल्स र मेडिकेसन्सहरू. अनि लन्ड्री भनेको चाहिँ रुम वेयर क्लोथ्स र लिनेन्सहरू चाहिँ वास र आइरन गरिन्छ. I arrived late. I was still permitted to enter class. Both and whether or neither nor though it. So the correct answer is though it. किनकि though चाहिँ कस्तो सिचुएसनमा युज हुन्छ त? For unexpected reasons. त्यही भएर though I arrived late, yet I was still permitted to enter class. He said, "What a beautiful scene." He said that what a beautiful scene it was. He exclaimed, "What a beautiful scene." He exclaimed, "What a beautiful scene it was." He exclaimed that it was a very beautiful scene. So the correct answer is he exclaimed that it was a very beautiful scene. किनकि यदि एक्सक्लामेसनहरू चाहिँ छ भने चाहिँ त्यसको पछाडि के हुन्छ त? आस्क अथवा एक्सक्लेम्ड युज गर्नुपर्छ अनि त्यसपछि द्याट युज गर्नुपर्छ. त्यही भएर he exclaimed that it was a very beautiful scene. There is somebody walking behind us. I think we are following, we are being followed, we are followed, we are being following. So the correct answer is we are being followed. किनकि प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युस टेन्स छ, द्याट इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस इजेमआर प्लस भर्ब प्लस अब्जेक्ट छ भने त्यसको प्यासिभ भोइस के हुन्छ त? अब्जेक्ट प्लस इजेमआर प्लस बिङ प्लस भर्ब 3 हुन्छ. द्याट मिन्स के रहेछ द करेक्ट एन्सर? आई थिङ्क वी आर बिङ followed. That's it for today's session. We practiced 20 sets of questions from question number 41 to 60. Remaining 20 questions we will practice in coming Saturday. So stay tuned to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to watch previous sessions, especially details on entrance exam to know the patterns. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.